Hello, YouTubers. Welcome to Yasmin's Cooking Show. This is episode 12. We continue our seafood series today with crab cakes. We began this series with Haitian style saltfish in episode 11, and today we are making crab cakes. Now, when it comes to making beautiful, well-rounded crab cakes, here are 4 steps for you to remember. Number 1, quality crab meat. Number 2, a great binder. Number 3, chill overnight. And number 4, pan fry. Now, the bottom line is top quality crab meat. So when you are in the seafood market, choose crab meat that's labeled jumbo lump. It's more expensive, but it is worth it. I have here 1 pound of crab meat for 24 bucks. Listen, if you want great crab cakes, spend the money. Next, once we figure out what type of crab to use, our next assignment is finding the right binder. And we have here a 1/4 cup of dry breadcrumbs. Our fresh herbs consist of a 1/4 cup of chopped scallions, aka green onions, 1 tablespoon of chopped basil, aka in French, basilic. Next, this is 1½ tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning, 1 teaspoon of homemade pesto sauce, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of Duke's Mayo, 2 egg whites already whipped, salt and white pepper to taste, and for the pan frying, we'll need a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and a cast iron skillet. Using a spatula, gently mix the crab meat, the herbs, the Old Bay, the breadcrumbs, the pesto, the mayo, the salt and white pepper, being very careful not to break the lumps. Next, fold in the egg white until everything clings together.